Hello kiddos, let's learn about 20 common pet animals name. Let's start. The first one is dog. Dog, a loyal pet that guards our homes and loves to play. This is cat. Cat, a cute animal that loves to sleep and chase mice. This is rabbit. Rabbit, a soft, furry pet that enjoys eating carrots. Parrot. Parrot, a colorful bird that can talk and mimic sounds. Say parrot. Good job. This is fish. Fish, a small water pet that swims gracefully in a tank. This is hamster. Hamster, a teeny, powerful pet that runs on a wheel. This is turtle. Turtle, a slow, moving pet with a hard shell for protection. This is guinea pig. Guinea pig, a small, gentle pet that loves to eat vegetables. This is dove. Dove, a peaceful bird often kept as a loving pet. This is pigeon. Pigeon, a friendly bird that can easily find its way to home. Oh, this is cow. Cow, a farm pet that gives us milk and helps in the fields. This is goat. Goat, a friendly farm pet that gives us milk and eats grass. This is hen. Hen, a bird that lays eggs and lives in a coop. This is duck. Duck, a water bird that swims and quacks happily. It sounds quack quack, quack quack. Oh, this is horse. Horse, a strong pet used for riding and carrying loads. Do you know how horse sounds? Yes, it sounds like neigh, neigh. Is it funny? Okay. Next, donkey. Donkey. Oh, it's a hard-working pet that helps carry heavy things. And last one, this is sheep. Sheep, a fluffy pet that gives us warm wool, which we use in winter season. So, kiddos, we have learned lots of pet animal today. So it's your turn right now to keep it learning and keep it practicing it every day, because practice keeps you perfect. So if you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for my effort, and subscribe for more fun learning videos like this. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe and stay healthy. See you next time.